whether it's your well-being, rejuvenation, pain relief, energy, working some of that magic and unlocking your own healing potential. The countdown is now on for the Health Activation Day. There are 6 places available. The first of those places have already been snapped up. This short video will give you a sneak peek in terms of what it's all about, what we're doing, some of the devices and tools we're using, some of the modalities as well. But I'm going to open with just a quick story that reminded me of the miraculous nature of the body in terms of its ability to heal, and discovering something. I mean, I've been studying health, healing the body for over 30 years. So I was like, how is it I haven't come across these things before? So one of the things that happened to me a couple of years ago, I was diagnosed with osteoarthritis, and we're working with the whole body. So regardless of what it is for you, I couldn't believe it. I was like, whoa, I'm fit, I'm healthy, I'm in my early 50s. What the heck is going on here? And so went to see, did several sessions with, I've got a great cranial osteopath, so did several sessions with him for several months, didn't shift it. So finally went to see my doctor, then went to the hospital, did the x-ray, came back with osteoarthritis. And they had said it will be 12 to 18 months of physio. If the physio wasn't successful, then they would look at steroid injections. And if the steroid injections weren't successful, then we would look at surgery. So, you know, traditional care plan, nothing wrong with that. It's just not what I wanted for myself. So had come across one of the modalities that I'm going to be sharing with you at this workshop. Within 6 weeks, I was 80% there. And miraculously, within 8 weeks, I was back to normal. And at the time I'm shooting this video, I'm 2 months shy of that being 2 years ago. Now, for me, it was the shoulder. You may have inflammation and things going on in different parts of the body. One of the things I've noticed also in terms of ear, nose and throat has been a big thing for people, and the lungs and the breathing. So whatever it is for you, I'm sure there will be something that will be useful, that will appeal, and that will make a big difference in terms of your physical health and well-being. Just to make it clear, I'm not making any medical claims, I'm not making any healing claims. I'm just sharing with you what happened for me using these modalities and some of the things I've seen with other people. One of the things, I'm going to show you a process where you can activate the vagus nerve in just 10 seconds. The vagus nerve runs up the body and feeds your major organs. It also, the way we're doing it, activates the gut, and that is where a good 80-90% of your serotonin and dopamine is produced. You don't need any weird pills, all you need is your 2 hands. We're also going to be showing you a breathing technique. 90% of the people that I speak to about this have never even thought about it, and breathing in a way that damages their health, potentially damages their health. We're also going to talk about ATP and telomeres. ATP brings cellular energy to the cells. The shorter the telomeres are, they are said to be in correlation with your lifespan. So really looking at things that can help with the time that you have left on the planet, being fitter, being healthier, being more energized, moving some of that inflammation, helping to move some of that inflammation out of the body. As I said, not claiming to heal anything. It's about activating your own healing abilities. And this is next generation stuff. One of the devices that I'm bringing along reminds me of Star Trek. Think of Dr. Crusher holding that tricorder. One of the devices actually looks a bit like the tricorder and works in exactly the same way. So this is really groundbreaking stuff, and also things that are out in the world, as I said, that you may not have come across. Really simple. Many of them take 3 to 4 minutes, if that. We're also turning back time and bringing in what I call, now people often call it alternative therapy. I don't like that term, because for me, many of these feel like the original therapies of the earth, some of our more traditional things. So we're going to be doing one of the favorite modalities, of course, unraveling that HUNA scroll. So you have the opportunity, if you wanted to upgrade, do the VIP, you can have a one-to-one HUNA session. Also, again, there's going to be some dowsing if you wanted to do the one-to-one. And dowsing is really powerful because, again, we're tapping into your own energy field, your body, and we're going to be using that as a good starting point, as a measurement criteria, and also to guide us in terms of what are we doing and how have we done. I'm also going to be bringing along some structured water. cool thing about it as well, with the lasers and the probes that we're using in the room, you can also charge up your own water. And so we're really, when I say we're working from the inside out, seriously, that is what we're doing. Now, as I've said, places are limited. So if this sounds appealing, take action now and book your place. It's www.bit.ly/healing-activation-day. Now at this point you might be thinking, well, this sounds absolutely amazing. How are you doing all of this? So let me show you very quickly some of the tools, techniques and devices we are using. So we're going to be using the incredible block therapy. I'm going to bring my blocks along. The hydrogen water, these are all amazing. The belly button healing, I'm sure you're going to love these. I may even bring along the chi machine as well. And if you were to collate all of these, you're coming at a fraction of the cost. Just one of the devices is over $3,000. So to collate all of this yourself and bring it all in, haven't added it up, but I'm sure it will be close to $20,000 or whatever, something in that region. Now we're focusing on the body, and people who have come to the Mind, Body, Spirit Energy Fest over the years have said, you know, really would love to do more on the body. And we're also going to look at the mind. Now, if you just think of it in terms of basic NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, how the mind and the body affect each other, thoughts, our language, the linguistics, all of those can impact the neurology. So we're also going to do a mindset piece. And again, if you wanted to do the VIP upgrade, we can do a one-to-one access consciousness session to help get to the heart of those thoughts, beliefs, judgments, limitations, and also anything you're releasing from the body and the muscles and the fascia as we go through, because our body can store emotions. So we have a private room where we'll be doing that, you know, on a one-to-one basis while we're there. So if you want to upgrade to the VIP, you've got three options. You can either do the general ticket, you can do the VIP upgrade, so you do the one-to-one sessions, or you can pay a deposit to secure your place. These prices are changing. These are the pre-launch prices, but at the moment it's £47 to pay the deposit to secure your place. The reason I've said it's the DNA detox day is because we really are going deep with this one. Working from the inside out at a cellular level, working with the fascia, which is a sheath that covers the whole body. It's going to be amazing. So register today. Get yourself booked on. Now, for those of you I haven't met before, my name is Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach. My main website, where you can find further details, is www.transformationstm.com, TRANCE, F for Freddy, FORMATIONS. And when you land on the site, click the red What's New button. Also on the left, you can sign up for the e-newsletter. And if you know someone who could benefit from this, please share these details. That will be really very much appreciated. So thank you for watching. Thank you also to those of you who have already booked your place. And if you know that you want to regenerate, revitalize and get your mojo back, join us for the Health Transformation Day. It is going to be absolutely amazing. So go to www.bit.ly/healing-activation-day. We look forward to seeing you there.